How to download a set of abbreviations from a computer to a MegaBee. First, set up your MegaBee. Just make sure the Bluetooth is on. Should be active. Active, leave it in that state. Then scroll up and get to vocabulary. This is where the state where it uploads the abbreviations. This needs to be active. Just leave it like that, don't press return. Now we need to search for the Bluetooth device if it's first time. So we go to add a Bluetooth device. Add a Bluetooth or other device. Make sure it's Bluetooth. And you see it's come up with HC05. That's actually the MegaBee. So press on that. It will try to connect. It needs a PIN code. PIN code is 1234. And we are now connected. The device is ready to go. And actually, if you look at the Bluetooth devices down here, you'll see we have HC05. That's your MegaBee. Now, what we do need is the COM port number, because we're transferring things via a COM port. So if we go to the search bar, put in devices, and we get the device manager, open the device manager. Down here we'll have ports, COM ports, click on there, and you see you've got a number of COM ports. As the MegaBee was the last thing we've just installed, it will be COM port 3 or 4. MegaBee takes up 2 COM ports. Which one Windows decides is a bit of a mystery, but it's 3 or 4. So now we open the MegaBee software suite. If we go to vocabulary, this is what's needed for the abbreviations. You can then put in whatever words you want and you can store them, save. Yep. We've obviously done this a few times, so we can open a series of previously stored vocabularies. This is the English standard abbreviations. And as you can see, we've now loaded that. And on whatever letter you will have a number of abbreviations. And now we need to connect. And if you remember, we had COM port 3 or 4. Let's try COM port 3. That's a success. If it failed, it would tell you so. And now all we do is press this button here, which starts the download process. On the MegaBee, you will see that the vocabulary is receiving. This file has 240 entries, so it takes a bit of time. There we go, that's complete. And just to test, we go back to the normal menu, and if I do an A and a 0, I get always, or a and a 1, average. The other thing we can do with this is, as we've got the Bluetooth link established, if we want to communicate with more than one on a one-to-one basis, there is a display function. Bring that down here. If we connect again, COM port 3, we connect. And now everything I type on a MegaBee will be seen A, B, C, and you see it's appeared on the screen. That's just an additional function that you can use. That's how it works.